Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Paroma Sharma and this is my little rectangle where I share a little bit of my life with you. And today is another day, another vlog, and if you haven't noticed, my lashes are gone. Well, my fake lashes, not my real lashes. What happened was I was kind of tearing them out in my sleep, and I don't know why I was doing that. I never used to do that before really, but the first couple of days they lasted absolutely amazing because I wasn't tearing them out at night. Then I started to tear them out at night and they actually got really prickly. Like, I guess I was like tearing them out and some were like half torn and some weren't, which is just like not nice to even hear or say. Like, you should not be tearing your lashes out. And then I'd wake up with them all like wonky, like going sideways, and like some of them were even like sticking into my eye, like curling downwards, sticking into my eye through my lid, so it just wasn't pretty. I didn't want to refill that size, so I did want to remove it so that when I do it again, I can do like a smaller size. So I really wanted the long ones to come out anyways. And so I actually bought the Ardell adhesive remover, which is a formula that's built specifically to tackle this glue, this like really solid glue. And it did so well. It took me maybe about 10 minutes. And Sarah's watering our lawn. I gotta go get some tape because our gardening hose is leaking. Hi, Mama. Our sunflower is bathing in the sun. When we got her, she wasn't like opening up. When we got her, she was just like standing. And then now that she's here, she started to kind of like face the sun. So she started to like face the actual window. So we've kept the house nice and dark with the windows open so that it's cool without the use of air conditioning. That window's open, that door is open a little bit, that window is open, and yet like all the blinds are closed so that the sun isn't like pouring into the house and warming it up further. All right, folks, so I am basically going to go ahead and grind up a new batch of coffee beans so that I can refill my reusable K-cup pods. So if you don't know, let me pull one from here. We recently, my husband recently made the decision to get me these refillable, reusable K-cup pods, or like K-cup compatible pods. It's better for the environment, and honestly, I'm liking the process of like having to fill something. Like, coffee drinkers and tea drinkers, I think we like the process as much as we actually like the beverage, if that makes sense. I don't know for everyone else, but to me, the routine is just as therapeutic as the actual drink is. I'm a coffee fanatic. So basically they open up and you can fill them up. I'm actually going to be making iced coffee today. So let's see how that turns out, because it's a really nice hot day and it looks like summer is here to stay. This is generally when I switch from hot coffee to iced coffee. Now, the thing is that in this household, me making my own coffee, this is the first time this has ever happened. I've always been like a Timmy's girl. I briefly kind of dipped into Starbucks. So I'm kind of like a Timmy's Starbucks kind of girl. And then for my iced coffees, I get them from McDonald's. So, cause they have the dollar drinks for the whole summer. So that's my normal routine. This is my first time, like since I've been married and I moved into this house and I kind of have like my own space and, you know, like my own counter space and my own coffee station, like all of these kinds of things that I couldn't necessarily have in like a shared space at my mom's house. Now that I have these things available to me, this is all new to me, like making my own coffee at home, all of this kind of stuff. And so this is my first summer here, so this will be fun to see what kind of concoctions in terms of like iced coffees I come up with for the summer. So without further ado, let's get to grinding and making some of this good stuff. have a cup of really dark roast here, and it's filled to about here, which you guys can't see. So I'm thinking I'm actually going to mix it with some almond milk and some of my silk creamer, dairy-free creamer, and I'm going to fill this up so I have at least like 2 days or 3 days worth of iced coffee chilled in the fridge. Here we have it, some nice coffee. Now here's the thing, this creamer is gonna go in here and mix really well because it's made for hot beverages. This almond milk, not so much, because it will seize up and it'll turn clumpy. So I'm gonna bring this temperature down first by putting ice into it. I thought I'd reposition so you guys could see what I'm doing better. Okay, now let's add some. I'm gonna add some silk because it'll cool it down a little more. Ooh, very lovely. Look at that color. And then I'm gonna add some of the almond milk. This is evaporated milk, so it is sweet. Now the thing with this is that I'm okay with indulging in a little bit of sugar in my coffee when it's iced coffee. Dollop. Dunk that in there. So I'm going to add some instant coffee to this, maybe like 1 spoonful, and then add a little bit more of this. Instant. Honestly, this is like a great thing to make if you've got like a summer party, yard party, since nothing else is allowed now, so you might as well social distance in your backyard. So that iced coffee was actually amazing. It tasted so good. When I was getting pieces of ice in my mouth and I was crunching down on the pieces of ice, I also happened to be crunching down on the whole coffee beans that I put on top, and it just, I don't know, like it was just so satisfying, so good. What I have decided to do is double film today, so I'm going to go upstairs and change so that I can film a dance cover so that tomorrow I can kick back and really do nothing. So I'm gonna take a day off tomorrow, which is why I'm going to be filming this vlog, obviously, that's going to go up today, and I'm going to be filming the dance cover that'll go up tomorrow. Hi friends, so this is the look. My husband looked at me and he's like, I think you have your looks mixed up. No, I don't. I'm just thinking outside the box. These pants are actually awesome. They're from India. My mother-in-law gave me a set, which is the same set that I wore on Eid. And I realized when I wore it on Eid that it just looks so nice here that I could just wear these pants by themselves. And I mentally made a note to just wear them in my next dance cover. Also, the back has like creases like this. And I don't think it looks horrible, but I just figured just cover it up. Now, I am going to go and lightly make some choreography. It's so nice and cool down here. It's unbelievable. All right, guys. My God. I'm done the dance cover. I'm going to try to go upstairs, dry off some of these sweat stains, and take a couple of pictures in the backyard or the front yard in this outfit for the thumbnail. So casually walking along the beach with a Costco bag. So we decided to come by the lake because, as I've been saying, we need those big stones to block the holes in our fences in our backyard to keep rodents from coming. So we've come by the lake to pick up some of those stones. Hi, Mama. We came home and didn't come in.
a little wonky because there's so many stones, but we just had to block all the ways that rodents could make their way in.
Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and close out this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you tune in tomorrow to watch the actual dance video. Go ahead, give this video a like, it really helps me out, and subscribe to my channel because that helps me out even more. Leave me a comment in the comment section, say hello, because that brings a smile to my face. And as usual guys, thank you so much for dropping by. I will see you tomorrow.